Have you ever noticed your laptop suddenly shutting down, restarting on its own, or showing a blue screen error without any warning? What if I told you that Windows silently records every crash, sudden shutdown, and hardware failure, almost like a hidden CCTV camera inside your laptop? What's even more surprising is that nearly 99% of users are completely unaware of this powerful built-in Windows diagnostic tool. Today I will show you how to identify the exact root cause of system crashes, BSOD errors, and sudden shutdowns without opening your laptop or guessing anything. So let's get started. Now when you hear the word camera, please don't worry. There is nothing unsafe or suspicious here. This hidden camera is actually Windows Event Viewer, a built-in system monitoring tool that tracks sudden shutdowns, automatic restarts, blue screen of death errors, hardware failures, and power and battery issues. Whenever something goes wrong, Windows logs everything with exact time, reason, and error code. Now please follow these steps carefully. Press the Windows key on your keyboard or open the Start menu. Type Event Viewer. Now open it. Once opened, you will see a dashboard like this. This is the tool that tracks every internal activity of your system, even file errors and background failures. Now let's focus only on hardware related system crashes. On the left panel, click Windows Logs. Then click System. On the right side, click Filter Current Log. Now check only Critical and Error and then click OK. Now all major system failures that ever happened on your laptop will appear here. Now I will explain some important event IDs that every user should know. Event ID kernel power 41. This is the one of the most common and important errors. It means your system shut down suddenly without proper shutdown. Possible reasons: laptop battery problem, faulty charger or overcurrent issue, and power supply issue for desktops. If a laptop suddenly turns off while working, kernel power 41 is usually the reason. This log also helps you verify when and why the shutdown happened. Useful if someone claims false issues. Event ID 1001, BSOD or bugcheck error. This is the main reason behind blue screen of death errors. If your laptop shows BSOD and event ID 1001 appears, then it means a system file is corrupted or missing, or a critical system failure has occurred. This confirms that the BSOD is real and not a random guess. Now here's the smartest part. If you see any event ID, for example kernel power 41, copy the event ID name, then search on Google. Google will clearly explain what it happens, what causes it, and how to fix it safely. Windows already provides detailed error descriptions. You just need to read and verify. Note: never make random assumptions like it's a RAM issue, it's because of the SSD, or Windows is bad. Instead, always check Event Viewer. Identify the exact event ID and properly research the error before replacing any hardware. This simple habit can save your time, money, and valuable data. I truly hope this video helped you understand Windows system errors in a simple, clear, and practical way. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please give it a like, share, and subscribe our channel for more helpful tech tutorials and fixes. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.